Hey guys and girls, Anthony 4x4 Diesel, quick turbo video. Okay, so you've got a DTC, diagnostic trouble code, a turbo related trouble code. What is it, a P1251 or a P0046? Look, don't just go and replace your stepper motor, whatever you do. That's what this video is. It's just a short one to tell you, just because you get a turbo code and somebody said the stepper motor or it's the stepper motor, don't just go and replace the stepper motor, because usually it doesn't fix the problem. Okay, now if I've got things to help you with, that'll be in a video, but I'm also helping you by telling you what not to do in a short video, and that's what I'm saying now. I read way too many people, get messages from way too many people that, oh, you know, I got the replace the stepper motor, but I've still got problems. So follow up with our videos, follow up with a workshop that knows what they're doing, and bada bing, don't just replace the stepper motor, find out what the cause of the problem is. Thanks for watching, guys.